Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we learn how to create digital clock in Excel with the help of VBA Coding. If you are new here, please like video, subscribe channel, press bell icon button for more updates. So last we have request you kindly give us your valuable feedback in comment section. So let's start our today lesson. Two clock, two text type and different shapes. Press window R, type Excel, go to Excel software, open blank file, go to developer tab and press Visual Basic. Insert here Userform, insert here resizing here our requirement, insert his label, change label caption and go to Userform caption and type here digital clock. Again go to here Userform, insert here module and initialize Userform 1 clock format. Userform 1 dot label dot caption equal to format bracket open bracket close. Now format double quote h colon minutes second and am bracket pm. Again go to Userform double click here Userform and initialize call start clock. Press F5 to check our time is accurately work now, but it is not running. So again go to module and draw public variable public run clock as double add increment run clock equal to now plus time serial bracket on bracket close 0 comma 0 comma 1. Again application dot on time run clock comma double quote start clock double comma and false true. Again next procedure, create stop clock. And this last file copy, Control C and Control V, last type equal to false. Again go to Userform, type here terminate call stop clock and press F5 to run program. You can check now our program is accurately work. Again change here text size, press label and go to font size double dots, time required little and digital 7 bold and increase 72%, press OK and again go to text size alignment, background color and press a plate green and text style alignment, text alignment, center, press F5, double click outside. Our digital clock is accurately working now. We want to open Excel file, open directly our clock, not a Excel file. So go to again workbook, activate, type here application dot visible equal to false, user one dot show, and save now. Go to desktop, change save as, type Excel micro enable workbook, and type here VBA digital clock. Save now. Our file is saved now. Close file. VBA digital clock. Now open this file. You can see our digital clock has been created exactly. So in last, we again humbly request to you, kindly give us your valuable feedback in comment section, and don't miss our channel, subscribe and comment and like videos. Thanks for watching.